Everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how a new paper airplane flies. This is a new design based on the Swallow and the Spirit Dragon. Let's hold the paper airplane right here and throw it up to the skies. So make sure that you curve the end of the wings up to create the elevators, otherwise it won't fly very well. Let me hold right here and throw it now. No! Wow! Alright everyone, and now I'm going to show you guys how a new paper airplane flies. Let's hold the paper airplane right here and throw straight at 35 to 45 degrees. Check it again. Let me hold the plane right here and just throw it hard at 35 degrees. Hello everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a new paper airplane. This is a combination of the Swallow and the Spirit Dragon, and the planes look amazing and it also flies very well. To make the paper airplane, as always, you need a piece of just letter size paper and patience. Now let me flatten the paper down, and I'll start from the upper edge upward to this side and the other side. If you follow my channels, you already know the Swallow is one of my favorite designs ever, and I use the Swallow as a base plane for many different planes and for this plane as well. So to fold the Swallow, you know how to fold this already. I am not going to teach you step by step how to do it anymore, so we can just speed up a little bit. Alright, so just follow the instruction, you will be able to make this plane. Let's start from this upper edge forward to the other side. I will do it really fast. I don't want to waste time for this base fold anymore. If you already have my book, it will show you exactly how you can fold this base fold very easy. So first to this side as well, press it down, blast on the paper, flip it over, fold this part of the paper down, press it down, turn the paper like this, flatten it down, and pull this part, the edge here up, and fold to the center crease, and then press the upper part of the paper down. Next step, I can just fold this part of the paper up here, rest of the paper, same thing for this side, just fold straight up, press down, rest down for both sides. Okay, on the following step, I'm going to start from this edge and fold to the center crease, rest of the paper, rest down, same thing for this side, rest down, start from this upper edge, fold down, rest this down, same thing for this side, just press this down. Okay, and next step, I can just match both edges here to this center crease, adjust it, and here we go. I got the first part of the head, press it down, same thing for this side. Let's turn the paper this way so I can fold faster, rest of the paper, and now I can fold this part of the paper down. So now I just finished the body of the Swallow. I'm going to make the wings of the Spirit Dragon. I will start from this edge right here, I fold to the center crease, I fold straight to the center crease, same thing for this side, I fold inward. If it's not even, that means I didn't fold it perfectly, so I adjust it to make sure that it's look even. Okay, so this is what I have. Okay, on the following step, I will start from this part of the paper. Okay, Now I can put the paper down here. Same thing for this side, put the paper inward. Okay, and I'm going to fold this part of the paper toward the center. You see this part here? There's an edge up here. You can see that. You may not be able to see that, but when you fold, you can curve, and then you can fold it. So this is how we do a curve. I will just fold it along the edge here. I will not fold. When I fold, you can see that I fold it like this. Do not fold it too much to the inside, okay? Just a little bit and curve it. This is a difficult step. You be patient, you'll be able to make it. So I just fold like this. So when I finish this side, I can fold the same thing for the other side. So I will pull this part of the paper up, fold the paper in half like this, and I curve the upper part here, and I use the other side as a reference. So this is what I have. This way we can enhance the wings of the swallow. So just let's finish the plan for now. Flatten the paper down. Now we have the body of the blend. Let's fold this part of the paper out. So let me fold this part of the paper backward here. Fold back here. We have a crease here. We have a crease here. So fold the wings out. Like this. I'll fold the wings along with this edge. I will adjust it a little bit. Okay. And I'll match this edge to the corner outside. Alright, and I'll do the same step for this side. I'll fold the paper in half and fold this part of the paper out to create a wing. This looks just fine, and I can fold this part of the paper toward the center. I can adjust it. By folding this way, I can enhance the wings. This part of the paper too. You see the part that I folded in previously, you can still see the crease. That crease is a reference to fold this wing. Adjust the wings okay, so that both sides are even. Make sure that you fold carefully. Otherwise the wings will be broken and it will not fly very well. So adjust it. So this is what we have. This looks just fine. Okay. Don't fold the paper in half right away. Okay, this is not what we want. So this part right here looks really good. Flatten it down. I'm not going to create a stabilizer anytime soon, so let's create the body of the blend first. So this part of the paper, I'll fold the paper in half. Okay, and I'll pull this part of the paper out. You see what I have here. Okay, so that's look fine. I'll place the paper like this. Unlike other paper airplanes, you would just fold the paper like this and fold to create wings. I'm not going to do that. I've placed the paper down, and then I curve the end of the body of the plane up. I'll just do it slowly, and I'll adjust this part of the paper too. Okay, you see this part of the paper pop up, that's fine. So I just adjust slowly until I have the body. I will just move it up, see? Let's see how I'm going to do it. I pull it up, and I have the body of the blend. This is really good for both sides too. Okay, I want to have this stay all together so it looks nicer. Alright, so now when I turn the paper over, you can see this part of the swallow pop up. Is cover the body of the blend. So this is what we have. And it's a little bit tricky now because we need to create a very strong crease here. To do so, you have to use your hand to press it. Here we go. This is a new paper airplane. I hope you guys enjoy making the plane. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. And the last step is to create the stabilizer. So for this paper, power up the paper up to create the stabilizer. Same thing for the other side. Fold it up to create a stabilizer. And this part of the paper, just fold up and flatten it out. Make a triangle fold. Same thing here, make a triangle fold and flatten it out. Press this right here. Okay. Keep in mind that this part of the paper doesn't go in, so it's here to keep both sides of the wings all together. You can see 1 part, 2 part, and 3 part. I pressed out the paper here, so you can just press this part down so stay all together. This part here is pop out, right? Just press this, just adjust and press it. Just a little bit more, so it's keep both sides of the wings stay intact. Alright, so this is a new paper airplane. I hope you guys enjoyed making this plane. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. Thank you for watching again, and bye bye.